If you need to add special symbols in LibreOffice Math, this tutorial is going to make it quick and easy. Whether you're working on equations, academic documents, or math formulas, using the symbol toolbar can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find the symbols, how to choose the right category, and how to insert them into your formula with just a couple of clicks. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice Math on your computer. Once the program is open, take a look at the toolbar area near the top of the window. You'll want to find the Omega tab because this is where LibreOffice stores a wide range of special characters and symbols. When you click the Omega tab, a pop-up menu will appear. This pop-up gives you access to different symbol groups, including special symbols, Greek symbols, and Arabic symbols. Now, browse through the options and find the symbol you want to use. You can scroll through the list and pick the exact character that fits your formula. Once you've found the symbol, simply select it and then click Insert. LibreOffice Math will add that symbol directly into your equation or formula where your cursor is placed. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can quickly add special symbols in LibreOffice Math without having to type them out manually or search elsewhere. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.